Hello again, boys and girls. It's Dee, the Jolly Lighthouse Keeper from Flagstaff Hill. I'm just going to pop my mask off for a sec so you can hear my voice clearly. I'll pop it back on when I've finished. Alright, we are having a look at the colourful wall hanging next. And there it is. Look at that. It looks great. And one of the best things about this is it's a really simple one. Let's have a look how it goes. We're going to attach 5 or 6 of these streamers or ribbons onto a piece of dowel. That's dowel, it's a piece of wood. So look how you do it. You just get the ribbon and you pinch it like that. See how I've done that? Just pinch it like that. Then we get the sticky tape. Here's my sticky tape. Take a piece of sticky tape, put it at the base of where the pinch is, push it around like this, squeeze it down, whoops the daisy, squeeze it down, and there's your ribbon attached. Alright, and I know you do a much better job than me, but I reckon I did alright. Now we're going to do that 5 or 6 times. Now, there's ribbons in your box, and you can use all different colours, and I want to show you something very fabulous about these ribbons. That's a very thick ribbon. Maybe you want a thick ribbon, but maybe you want it in half. And look at that, I just tore it at the top. La-da! 2 smaller ribbons, and look how curly they go. So, you decide how thick you want them, how curly you want them, etc. Now, in your bag, there are some other fabulous things. There's stars and feathers, hearts and beads, flowers, all sorts of stuff. And what we do with those is, on the ribbons, we can stick the stars, the hearts, thread the beads, so that each one of your ribbons becomes very individual. So there it is. If you look at the back, you can see the sticky tape that's holding it. Also, this fabulous wool here, which you'll find, I have some here. Let me just unfold it. That makes a lovely little part of your hanging. So you've got ribbons, you've got this fabulous wool, you've got all these wondrous things here. And it's just a matter of attaching the ribbons, decorating the ribbons, popping on the wool, putting on the wool at the top to hang it. You see, it's just a knot. Very simple. It's all in the sheet, of course. And the last thing you might want to do, and you might notice at the bottom here, there are these tassels. I actually think they look like little octopuses floating along in the water. Now, they look great, but you know another good thing about them? They're easy to make. And in fact, on your instruction sheet, you'll actually see a step-by-step instruction of how to make them. They're really easy. Once you make one, you'll want to make 1,000 of them. Now, I'm going to show you how we attach the tassels. So watch this. Here's one that Kate prepared earlier. How did you find making the tassel, Kate?
So easy.
Yeah, and look how cool they look. You know what, if you got googly eyes and put googly eyes on the front, they would look like little octopuses, wouldn't they?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
They're great. All right, so how do we do it? So have a look how it's got a loop at the top. So what we do, there's our ribbon. Imagine we've already decorated our ribbon. What we do is we pass the ribbon through the loop, like so. And fold it over. And just like we did at the top with the sticky tape, we get another piece of sticky tape. Put it there, bend it around, come back over the top, and as the French say, viola, and we've got our little tassel on the bottom. So, 5 or 6 ribbons, some lovely wool, tassels, wondrous decorations and beads, and you will have something that looks as fabulous as this, and you can hang it up in the house, in your room, and everyone will admire it and think, what a clever crafter you are. Thank you, boys and girls. See you later.